Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a website using Framer AI. And right now, once you're on this editing platform of Framer, click on Actions and then click on Generate Page, and then you'll see a prompt bar pop up. So if you don't have an idea for a prompt yet, you can copy everything you see here. To start up from scratch, or basically you can copy my prompt. Let me just get my notepad. So let me just paste it right there. So you can post a video and copy this prompt right here. If you're satisfied, simply click on start. And right now, the website is now creating our, Framer is now creating our website. Basically, it's gonna be on real time. And then once you're doing so, you can edit it while it's generating. So this are two view. This is tablet view. This is desktop view. But please focus on desktop for now. Now it's already done editing, or rather generating. Let's try and edit it. So for example, on this one, like so, I can edit it as I do see fit. So give me a second here. I'm gonna look for the exact thing I'm looking for. So as you can see, I have through view. I have phone, tablet, and desktop right here. So for example, I want to change the theme. I can just select the theme right there. Simply click on shuffle. And then I have a dark theme right now. There are different things to align horizontally right there. Please check it out and then choose whatever you like. So if I'm not satisfied with this color, I simply click on generate one more time or shuffle. And then do so to copy everything. Click it like so. So keep on shuffling, keep on editing or generating to find the specific colors you want. So for example, I'm looking for darker or rather lighter colors. I think I'm satisfied with that one. Make sure everything is good here. Okay, copy everything. I'm gonna go with the neutral colors right there. Going back to the neutral right one. Give me a second. Perfect. Now for the last page, I'm gonna go with white one more time. Perfect. And then under neutral color for here, I think that's beige or peach. Anyway, I think I'm satisfied with this one. Now I'm gonna go with peach here since I already committed with that color. Now, as you can see, if I want to edit this font text or font type, I can just simply click on shuffle. And then I already have a new font text. If I wanted to edit manually, you'll see it on the design bar on the left side. You'll have a text. Click on new style. Just name it and then edit it like so. You can choose the font, whatever you see fit, and then you can edit the weight, for example, the styles, the colors right there. You can change the color to green if you see fit also, like so. So the idea here is the limit would be your imagination. So basically, I'm just teaching you the ropes here, how to get started, and then have fun while doing so. Now, if you're familiar with Canva, you won't have any problem here. You won't get nervous, just like this one, because basically you're just using Canva. Now, for example, I want to edit some things here. Let me just zoom it in. Let's focus on the desktop one. Okay. Now, for example, this specific innovations by Project 1, I want to change it. I can simply make sure that this is now properly designed. For example, I want to edit some more like so. I'm just doing what I see fit here. Now, moving on. For example, I want to add or replace this one. So as you can see, whenever I double click, on the right side it's highlighting what part of the design section it is. As you can see right there, this is going to be scribbles. So I can change the scribble to a different design. The color also can be changed. For example, I want to go for a little bit more red. Same goes with this one. So as you can see here, everything is really user-friendly. Now let's add some more effect here. Let me just add some images. Let me just get or look for my media right there. Click on image. And then add that image right there. Choose image. Give me a second. For example, I'm gonna choose this specific girl right here. Now let's wait for it. Give me a second, okay? Now once uploaded, I can now simply select it, paste it in here like so. Now I'm having fun here. I can do it as I see fit. Now that being said, if you highlight the image specifically, you can edit the effect. So click on effect sections right there. You can appear like so. You can enter the effect or add some effect there. Trigger and appear, perfect. Custom, let's just scale in there. And basically we're good here. Now the style here would be the fill. Of course the image is right here. You can rotate it as you see fit. So idea here is it's really user friendly. I just want to highlight that as much as I can. Now the size is going to be unlocked, or it can be unlocked. If you want to change it, please do so. Now we already have that image on appear or effect, so it won't get boring regarding a website. We can also add some effects here on the text. For example, we can scroll animation there. You can add some fade in effect. You can enter by effect, and the start is right there. So everything here is like PowerPoint, or you may call it Canva. For me, I'm gonna refer it as Canva. Now that being said, let's try and add some more things here. For example, this doodle arts right there. This can also be added as an effect. For example, you don't want them to simply be boring. I can add some effects here. Basically, I'm just having fun here, doing what I see fit. Now, for example, this specific image, let's just say I want to make it more transparent. As you see fit right there, the opacity is now decreased. If you want it to be invisible, simply click on no and going back right there, right? Now, if you want to change the image, of course, click on the fill, choose image right there. Let me just change it to this guy right here. And voila, we have our image perfectly over here. So that being said, we have some grayscale right here if you want to remove the grayscale or add it, or even have some effects on this specific image. So we can click on loop. The delay is right there. The opacity is scale. And then the mirror is like here also. So basically, we're good here. Now, for example, you're done with your website. You can simply click on publish. Choose a name. And then I'm not sure what name should I choose here. Let's just say 123 website. Let's see if it's available. Click on publish. And then that being said, you're good to go here. So an additional information for you guys is going to be if you click on the photo or any other material here. For example, you want to edit the transition. But for me, I'm going to go with photo and click on effects. I'm going to go with appear here. Make sure the effect is right there. Click on spring. I'm going to adjust this to 500. Make sure it's right there, 600. Everything is good. Perfect. Now to check everything is good here, simply click on play. Right there, you can see how good it is. Now if I go back, if I click on this button right here, you'll see this one. This desktop 120 or 1200. You can apply the effects to all pages. For example, I'm gonna go with appear here or slide left, whatever you want here. So I'm gonna go with slide left, and then this page, please leave this at blank because we're gonna go with all pages, and then at enter. Make sure this is around this one, custom 0.7, everything is good. Okay, everything is good there, and then simply click on play, and perfect, you have everything here good to go. Now on addition, you can also click on the publish button right there, check on your website, the domain, basically click on it. I'm gonna click on it right now, and you'll arrive on your website. As you can see right there, these are the things we've changed earlier. Those are the transitions we have, and basically with one click of a button, we have a website. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.